Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this is Dart and Flutter programming language. So, in this second video, I'll show you some of the basic of Dart programming. For example, you could use print, and this is Android programming with this. This is a simple and right sentence in our programming. You have to use the semicolon at the end of the sentence, and you cannot use double quotes, but you use single quotes like this. Well, it's quite similar to C language, but you have to notice that there is a little different with C language if you are going to from C language. Okay, and another thing is quite similar in C, like if you write int a, for example, this is meant quite similar to variable a with the type of integer, and you could use double b. This is a variable b with the data type double, but this is quite different in C. You could use string C with the capital S in this type. Instead, in C, we could not use strings, but we use char and we combine with pointer. But in Dart, you can use string C. Okay, and oh yes, for making a comment, you could use like in C, like this, making a integer like this, and making b double type, and so on and so forth. And what else? Okay, you could use, if you have a long command, you could use like this, blah blah blah. Quite similar with C. What else? The keyword in Dart. There's a few, but well, we're gonna remember it another day. This is identifier. Identifier, the first thing is do not have a space. Identifier don't have a space. For example, strings me too. This is wrong because there is a space between me and two. So you could use underscore, or you could use like this, or could you like this. Okay, and you could not use number in the first identifier. For example, this is the wrong example. You cannot use like this. This is wrong. So because 2 cannot in the first character, so it become right if you do like this or this with underscore, and so on and so forth. Okay, I think that's enough. So yes, in Dart Everything is an object. Everything is an object. And what else? Um, okay. I think this is enough for our second video. Thank you very much.